So you're thinking of moving to or within San Antonio, Texas? Well, today we're going to take you to another popular suburb of San Antonio, Timberwood Park. It is located 30 miles north of San Antonio, the foothills to the hill country. We're going to take you through living in Timberwood Park, then we'll take you to a neighborhood so you can see for yourself what's best for you. And let's get started right now. Good day, and welcome to the San Antonio Market Watch channel. I am Kathy Tate, a licensed realtor here in San Antonio, Texas and surrounding areas. And if this is your first time to the channel and you'd like to know everything there is to know about living in San Antonio, subscribe below, tap the notification bell, and you'll be the first to know about the current market in San Antonio, Texas. We receive calls, text messages, and emails from people just like you looking for help on making their move to San Antonio, and we love it. We'd also love to help you. So if you're moving in 6 days or 60 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, all in the description below, and we'll be happy to assist you with making a smooth move to San Antonio, Texas. Timberwood Park is a charming community nestled in Bexar County. It offers a distinct blend of natural beauty, suburban comfort, and a strong sense of community. It has a population of approximately 33,000 residents, and it is a master planned community with over 2,000 acres of custom-built homes that sits on a half-acre or larger lots, with mature trees, friendly wildlife, and quiet roads. It's also easy access to downtown San Antonio. Now, living in Timberwood Park is just like any other community. It has its pros and cons. So let's go through some of them so that you can determine if Timberwood Park is the place for you. So the pros of living in Timberwood Park. The natural beauty. Timberwood Park is known for its beautiful natural surroundings. Residents enjoy mature trees, rolling hills, and the abundant wildlife. The area offers a calm environment for those who appreciate nature. The second pro is the spacious lots. Many properties in Timberwood Park feature large, spacious lots, providing residents with ample space for outdoor activities, gardening, and privacy. The third pro, crime. Timberwood Park is considered a very safe place to live with a low crime rate. In fact, according to Lynch.com, there are no violent crimes reported in Timberwood Park. Number 4, the amenities. The community offers a range of amenities, including a park with a fishing lake, a swimming pool, a clubhouse, playgrounds, tennis and basketball courts, and hiking and biking trails, enhancing the quality of life for residents and their families. Number 5 is close proximity to San Antonio. As I mentioned, Timberwood Park's location is just outside of San Antonio, and it provides easy access to the city's job opportunities, cultural attractions, dining options, and healthcare. And number 6, the educational opportunities. Families in Timberwood Park have access to the highly rated schools in Carmel County with an A rating according to Lynch.com, and this makes it a very attractive place for families to reside. So some of the cons of living in Timberwood Park. Distance from the city. Whilst Timberwood Park's proximity to San Antonio is an advantage, it can also be seen as a drawback for those who prefer to live closer to the heart of the city. Commuting to downtown can be challenging during the peak hours. The second con is limited shopping and dining options. While the community has some amenities, residents may need to travel to San Antonio for a wider range of shopping, entertainment, and dining options. The third con is the property maintenance. Given the natural surroundings, some residents may find that property maintenance, including landscaping and dealing with the wildlife, requires a little extra effort and expense that they just don't want. The fourth con is the Homeowners Association. The Timberwood Park Property Owners Association really enforces the rules and the regulations to maintaining the community's beauty, and it protects the environment. While these rules are in place to preserve the area's charm, some residents find that this is pretty restrictive and a little bit much. The fifth con is wildlife. Living close to nature means you may encounter some wildlife, including deer and snakes. Not sure how you feel about that. And the sixth con is the housing in Timberwood Park. It tends to be more expensive than many other areas of San Antonio. The median home sale price in Timberwood Park is $535,000. I'm more than happy to share more information with you on housing in Timberwood Park. Timberwood Park offers a unique lifestyle that combines the beauty of nature with the suburban living and a strong sense of community. While it may not be ideal for everyone, those who value qualities in Timberwood Park may find this a very delightful and pleasant place to live. Now let's tour some neighborhoods so you can see some of the homes for yourself. Thank you for tuning in to the San Antonio Market Watch channel. I hope I've shared some information with you today that you can use. If you have any questions about Timberwood Park or any of the surrounding areas of San Antonio, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, all in the description below, and I'm happy to assist you with making a smooth move to San Antonio, Texas.